Hey everyone, Chris here, and today I'm going to show you the most effective way to grow your audience and generate authentic email leads inside of Kajabi. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get your target audience on your Kajabi email list and make compelling offers to them. By the way, if you're interested in trying out Kajabi, use my special link below the video to get a 30-day free trial. Normally, if you go through Kajabi's website, you got to use a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within that first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. And in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial days. It's like getting a head start in a race, and who wouldn't want that? Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you'll get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. With that in mind, let's dive into Kajabi. In my experience, content making is the most effective way to build your audience. It's far more strategic than paying for ads on websites and social media platforms where people often skip past them without a second thought. Understanding the power of content marketing allows you to build a genuine connection with your audience. Instead of interrupting what they are doing with ads, you provide value by addressing their needs and interests. For instance, think about how you engage with content. Would you rather watch a helpful video or be bombarded with an ad? That's right. Why search-based marketing is key. Search-based marketing is incredibly valuable because users can easily find what they want. Just like you search for how to grow your audience on Kajabi and found this video, others will find your content too. I'm going to teach you how to generate content ideas that people are actively searching for, helping you get discovered by your target audience. When people search for something specific, they're already interested in that topic, which means that they're more than likely to engage with your content. First, you need to determine which platform to use. I recommend YouTube and Google. Google, as we all know, is the biggest search engine in the world, followed by YouTube. Once you create a YouTube video, it remains available in searches, acting like a time-stamped resource. This strategy works because you'll be answering people's questions, understanding your audience, and creating content that addresses their needs. Let's take Google search as an example. Go to Google and type in something like how to play table tennis. As you type, you'll see related questions pop up, such as how to play table tennis like a pro, or how to play table tennis, rules. Each of these suggestions gives you an idea of what your audience is looking for, allowing you to create content around these queries. Another advantage using YouTube is that your videos can appear in Google searches, expanding your reach. Now, video marketing is extremely effective for showing up in searches. By creating content on YouTube, you already have an edge over your niche who aren't using these platforms effectively. Videos are engaging, easy to consume, and convey your message more dynamically than text alone. Think about how a well-made video can keep you hooked compared to reading a lengthy article. Another great way to find content ideas is by looking at the People Also Ask section on Google. This feature allows you to use commonly asked questions related to your topic. You don't need to create content for every question you see. Instead, focus on the top 5 frequently asked questions and then create a single video that addresses all of them. This approach provides valuable content and helps build your audience. Addressing these questions can also position you as an expert in your niche as you're directly responding to what people are curious about. To integrate all these strategies with Kajabi, you'll need to create a funnel. Funnels capture the emails of subscribers when you offer a freebie in your YouTube videos. Here's how to do it. Go to Kajabi and open the Marketing tab. Under that, you'll find Funnels. Click on the freebie and then the Show Me How. You'll see a process flow like opt-in, 1 email, thank you. Click on Create Funnel and name your freebie something catchy and relevant to your content. Canva templates and Google Docs can help you design these freebies. Mention your freebie in your video to keep your audience engaged. Everyone loves freebies, and this will prompt viewers to check it out. Make sure your freebie is valuable and directly related to the content of your video. For example, if your video is about mastering table tennis techniques, your freebie could be a detailed PDF guide on advanced techniques and drills. Now let's design the funnel from the audience's perspective. Go to the Details section, tweak it to your taste, make sure it's set to Publish, and turn on the plugin and ensure it appears in the searches. Ensure the opt-in process is seamless and user-friendly. The easier it is for someone to sign up, the more likely they will be. Next, let's take a look at the welcome page that Kajabi created for us. This page appears immediately after someone opts in. Add a note like, "Thank you, here's your freebie," making sure the link is highlighted and easy to find. Instead of just a thank you message, consider sending an email. This way your audience gets used to receiving emails from you. If you offer coaching services, include an offer for a free 30-minute call and an email. Personalizing your welcome page and emails can make your audience feel valued and appreciated, increasing their likelihood of staying engaged with your content. So to recap, creating YouTube video content is crucial because it shows up in Google search results and can reach more people. Using the People Also Ask section on Google helps you find valuable content ideas that people are actively searching for. In every video, mention your freebie offer at different points to create interest and generate leads. Then set up and design your freebie funnel in Kajabi to build an email list of people who are genuinely interested in your content. This tried and true method will help you build your Kajabi website even if you don't have a big YouTube channel. If you want to try out Kajabi, don't forget to use my link in the description box. You'll get a 30-day free trial and my Jumpstart course, which teaches you everything about launching your own business. Plus, you'll also get access to my high-quality templates at no extra cost. All right, that's it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or valuable insights to share about Kajabi, please share them in the comment section below. Happy creating, and I'll see you on the inside.